Get ready, India! The biggest, most awaited shopping spectacle of the year is back, promising to light up your Durga Puja and Diwali celebrations like never before. Prepare for jaw-dropping deals, exclusive launches, and savings with this Amazon Great Indian Festival 2025 that will make your festive season truly unforgettable. This isn't just a sale, it's a celebration of smart shopping. This is Amazon's flagship annual sale, perfectly timed for the joyous Dasra and Diwali season, bringing unparalleled discounts to millions of Indian households. It's your golden opportunity to upgrade, gift, and transform your home with incredible offers across every category imaginable. Think of it as your one-stop shop for all things festive, from sparkling new gadgets to traditional home decor. For Indian online shoppers, Diwali is about new beginnings, family gatherings, and exchanging heartfelt gifts. The Amazon Great Indian Festival understands this sentiment, offering a curated selection that caters to every need and desire. From refreshing your wardrobe to decking out your home, Amazon makes your festive dreams a reality. The excitement begins even before the main event, so make sure you are prepared to snag the best deals. Early birds truly catch the worm during this festival of savings. Don't miss a single moment of these incredible offers. Early deals. Kick off your shopping spree from 13th September 2025. Get a head start on some fantastic offers before the crowds descend. Prime Early Access. Amazon Prime members, rejoice! You get exclusive early access starting 22nd September 2025. Be the first to grab those limited stock items and hottest deals. Main sale. The grand celebration officially begins on 23rd September 2025. Get ready for a shopping frenzy with new deals dropping every hour. Prepare to be amazed by discounts that redefine value, making your festive shopping budget stretch further than ever before. Whether you're eyeing that new smartphone or a stylish outfit, the savings are immense. This is your chance to finally get those items you've been dreaming about. Expect up to a massive 80% off across a dazzling array of categories. From cutting-edge electronics to fashionable apparel, there's something for everyone. Refresh your home, upgrade your tech, and elevate your style without breaking the bank. Smartphones and gadgets. Discover the latest models and accessories with incredible price drops. Upgrade your old phone or grab that smartwatch you've always wanted. Fashion and beauty. Revamp your festive wardrobe with trendy ethnic wear, stylish western outfits, and premium beauty products. Look your best this Diwali with top brands at unbeatable prices. TVS and appliances. Bring home smart TVS, energy-efficient refrigerators, and essential kitchen appliances. Make your home smarter and more comfortable for the festive season. Home and kitchen essentials. From elegant decor to practical kitchenware, find everything to make your home festive ready. Spruce up your living spaces with beautiful new additions. Beyond direct discounts, unlock even more savings with attractive bank offers, cashback rewards, and convenient no-cost EMI options. Exchange your old electronics for new ones and get fantastic value. Look out for special deals on electronics, home appliances, fashion, and home decor that will surprise you. Want to shop like a pro and ensure you don't miss out on the best deals? A little preparation goes a long way in securing those coveted items. Follow these smart strategies to make the most of the Great Indian Festival. Wishlist early. Start adding your desired items to your Amazon wishlist right now. This helps you track prices and quickly add them to your cart when the sale begins. SBI Card Advantage. Leverage instant discounts and cashback offers by using your SBI credit or debit cards. This is often one of the biggest savings opportunities during the sale. Lightning deals. These flash sales offer incredible discounts for a very limited time and stock. Be quick, as they disappear in a blink. Go Prime. Become an Amazon Prime member for early access to deals, faster delivery, and exclusive member-only offers. It's your secret weapon for the best shopping experience. Compare and conquer. While Amazon offers great prices, a quick comparison within the platform or with other online retailers can ensure you are getting the absolute best deal. Use price tracking tools if available. Cashback apps. Don't forget to check for additional cashback offers from payment apps like Amazon Pay, Paytm, or PhonePe. Stack these offers for maximum savings. Support local. Explore Amazon's Karigar or Saheli sections for unique, handcrafted items from Indian artisans. Find special gifts while supporting local talent. The Amazon Great Indian Festival 2025 is more than just a sale, it's an experience designed to bring joy and incredible value to every Indian home this Diwali. From upgrading your tech to refreshing your home decor, this is your moment to shop smart and celebrate big. Don't let these unparalleled savings pass you by. Are you ready to transform your festive season with amazing deals and exclusive offers? Visit Clothing Clone's new article on the Amazon Great Indian Festival 2025 now to see the hottest deals, how to avail the offers, and how to start building your wishlist and prepare for the biggest shopping event of the year. If you have found this information valuable, do like this video now, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates and shopping guides. Let the festive shopping begin.